Fans hail unbelievable contract work as fan favorite Robertson commits future to LFC. Anfield will be seeing Andy Robertson run up and down the left flank until at least 2026 with a new contract signed. Sealed and delivered, much to the delight of Reds. Liverpool's investment in the here and now has seen the Scot added to a list that already comprises Virgil van Dijk, Alisson, Fabinho and fullback partner Trent Alexander-Arnold. It's a new contract list that promises more names in the weeks and months to come as the Reds reward those who have played a key role in Liverpool's rise under Jurgen Klopp. And Robertson is undoubtedly a deserving figure. And his new 5-year deal will take him to the age of 32 and with 9 years at the club under his belt. It exemplifies the meteoric rise he has experienced since arriving as what many would have considered an underwhelming signing at the time. He's far from that now and the love supporters have for him is unquestionable, shown by the reaction to his new deal. It's another welcome piece of business from Liverpool as they tie another defensive pillar down, with Alisson, Van Dijk and Alexander-Arnold all on board until at least 2025. Energetic, passionate and a fan favorite. Robertson will now add considerably to his tally of 177 games and 37 assists to date for the Reds. Which could be added to as soon as Saturday against Chelsea. Contract extensions for Jordan Henderson and Mohamed Salah are also in the pipeline as Liverpool look to retain the key names for the foreseeable future.